Draw a line in the sand. Nine amazing magnetic gadgets. A metal tube and a ball. Nothing special, right? It's called field flux. It delivers an oddly satisfying anti-gravity experience. Drop the ball into the tube and see it defy gravity. It is truly to watch and feel. It's based on a special magnetic rule called Lenz's law. While falling, it generates electric current in the tube, and the magnetic field of the current slows down the fall. You can use it to fidget and relax, to perform striking skill tricks. It's easy to play, but hard to master. Hover pen. Not unlike the trains in Japan, this pen uses opposing magnetic forces to hover in midair. For trains, this practically eliminates friction, allowing the trains to move very quickly. For pens, it makes for a little added entertainment value on your desk. Precision is key with this project, so like many of my woodworking projects, I spent the majority of my time making SandScript, automatic sand drawing machine. Stress it out, but don't have the time to relax by raking the sand around in a manual Zen garden. That's not a problem with this cool new SandScript. This high-tech Zen garden is an automatic sand drawing machine that can be left to make patterns in the sand or a line in the sand. It can be adjusted using the 3 dials on the side. No raking needed. While it may look like magic, the stainless steel ball that seems to be rolling around in the sand making symmetrical mandala patterns all by itself is actually controlled with magnets. Beneath it includes 2 ball sizes, depending on your preference for large. Rail twirler. By magic, tilt the wire frame to make the teach children about the invisible power of magnetism with the Toys Myths Retro Magic Rail Twirler. The Magic Rail Twirler is a reproduction of a classic retro toy, using magnets to allow a spinning wheel to perform gravity-defying stunts. Magnets adhere the plastic wheel to the wire frame, allowing it to twirl along the track seemingly. Twirler spin faster. Watch the twirler twist and turn. 4 hours of imaginative fun. Magnetic putty. The secret ingredient that makes the putty magnetic is an iron oxide powder, which is ferric magnetic. Ferric iron oxide is a fine powder used as black pigment and can be found at art stores. Gaussian gun. 4 steel balls sit on a track next to a powerful magnet. Another ball gently rolls from the other side and hits the opposite side of the magnet. Unexpectedly, the last ball on the other side shoots off with amazing speed and distance. Now, you can easily experiment with this counterintuitive reaction with spectrums. Magnetic switch. In basic terms, a mag switch is a device that allows a magnetic field to be turned on and off mechanically like an electromagnet, but with no need for ongoing power to sustain a strong magnetic field. Like no other mag switch is super strong for its size, exhibiting up to 5 times the power of other magnet systems. Solar system time. Tiny orbiting planets tell the time on this solar system clock. We usually measure the time it takes for a planet in our solar system to orbit the sun in months and years. But given the compact scale of this desktop solar system, the anodized aluminium balls can instead be used to measure seconds, minutes, and hours. Mega levitator. Magnetic levitation, maglev, a magnetic suspension is a method by which an object is suspended with no support other than magnetic fields. Magnetic levitation is used for maglev trains, contactless melting, magnetic bearings and for product display purposes.